Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Looking at Forex Factory, we have we had unemployment claims that came out better than expected. That's good. Holy shit. Shizzles. We're looking here on the 50-minute time frame. We have the 1-hour candle breaking below the previous 1-hour candle. We also have the 15-minute also breaking below the previous 50-minute candle. At this point, trying to see just trying to see if we can capitalize on this move. Not too confident as yet. Basically, all I can say is this 30-minute candle is 40 pips big. So I think we could potentially have volume starting to come in now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, this is a previous resistance area on the 1-hour time frame. Excuse me, we're tapping into this level, pretty much rejecting this level. Based on the 1-hour candle here. Gonna see if we can have an opportunity on riding this play up. Yeah, I think it could definitely start coming up now. Now breaking above the previous 5-minute candle high. We also have the 4-hour candle pushing back bullish. Looking at structure on the 5-minute time frame. We'll see. The only problem about this 5-minute candle is the stops are going to be a little bit too big. Hey, Bobs. Yes, bro, you know how it is. It's been an amazing week. It's been an amazing week. This 1 hour candle is pretty huge. See, 70 pip range 1 hour candle. We are bound for retracement. This thing is keeping on pushing, bro. Looking at the 1 minute time frame is pretty decent at this point. Annihilating all these stop losses. Really need to get in on wait for some pretty good confirmations to get in. Might also have some reaction of 1945. It's a possibility we could react on 1945. That could be it right there. Just have to have some confirmations of momentum slowing down. The Noon's good night, buds. Noon said my buy limit was set for 943. Nice. By the looks of how bearish we're pushing right now, I think 1943 is a very high possibility we could tap into it. I just want confirmations for me to get in on buys. Yeah, like I said, 1945 could be a good level to take buys off from. So, just waiting on confirmations. Okay, got in on the break of this previous 1 minute candle over here. Stop loss below the previous 1 minute candle. At this point, I'm looking to see if we can secure some profits at like 30 pips, 10 pips. Pretty much because we're trading against some recent trends, so we could potentially have price retracing. But if it doesn't and we get stopped out, it is what it is. Stops are pretty decent right now. Gonna have a nice stop at 1940. $19.47.33 is where I'm going to secure profits and move this trade to break even. Hey Nicholas, what's up, bro? There we go. Just secure profits right there. Our stop is pretty much a break even right now. Amazing. Going to look to secure some more profits at around maybe like 30 pips, maybe. Yeah, 30 pips would be good. Yeah, we're gonna look to secure profits at 30 pips. If we come back and if we get taken back at our break even, that's fine. I really don't mind. Oh, Nicholas missed his trade. No worries, bro. All is well. This is a retracement trade. You know, if this candle closes bearish, there's a high probability the next one can start popping down. Or even when it's breaking the low like this, there's a high probability it could start coming down at this point. There's so much volume in the market right now, so anything can happen. Yeah, just go take another break even. See what I mean? Breaking this low over here. I think we're gonna have some nice retracement setups coming in. We just have to wait for confirmations. The 1 hour time frame is a pretty decent confirmation. I'm looking to see if price can reject 1945 right here. There we go. See, this is why it's very important to secure profits. No worries, bro. We're gonna have some very decent, very nice opportunities coming up. This is why it's very important securing profits. Securing profits is very important, guys. I wanna see how this 5-minute candle is developing also. See, this is also rejection. And this is very important to be patient. We're gonna get in on the first opportunity to get buys. The thing about these high volume sessions is because why I like the 1-minute time frame is because stop loss can be tight, and we could anticipate potential retracements at this point. At this point, I'm expecting price to come back and close above 1945 in the next 2 minutes. So just took another buy over here. I'm really anticipating price to come back up, close above. So our stop loss is going to be down here. TP is going to be all the way up there. 60 pips. Yeah, this is pretty much based on how this 5-minute time frame candle is playing out at this point. There we go, pushing up at this point. Um, yeah, this is pretty much based on how the 5 minute time frame is playing out. I was anticipating price to come back above 1945, which is pretty much playing out right now. The only problem we have is we don't want price to continue bearish. That's gonna be a problem for us. Stop loss is at 1942.95. I think I'm gonna widen my stops a little bit because there's a potential we could attempt to sweep the lows over here. If we're heading back bullish. We have volume starting to die down a little bit on the bearish side on the 1 minute time frame, but I actually added another position over here. Scaled in. Oopsie. What is going on? Actually added another position right over here. Pushing bullish at this point. we go. Need a little bit more juice. We need a little bit more juice towards the upside. We need a little bit more juice towards the upside. Just a little bit more. Like I said, I moved my stop loss because I knew we were gonna take out the lows over here. Hence why the stop loss was moved. There we go. First entry, secured some profits from the first entry, secured some profits from the second entry. Both stops are now at break even. This is amazing, guys. Got stopped on the first position, still in on the second position. Still in on the second position, guys. Yeah, looking at how the 5-minute time frame is developing, I think we could definitely have a nice push towards the upside. Hopefully we can get like 30 pips, then we can secure profits. That would be great. We're most likely going to break above the previous 5-minute candle high. There we go. Running at like 20 pips right now, retracing a little bit. Don't like how this is looking. If we get taken out and break even, we get taken out and break even. I really don't mind at this point. We are pretty much significantly up for the day. It's the thing about gold is it's very important that we secure profits. Yeah, ZP. Missed out again. Come on. Yeah, this is gonna be a good trade. There we go. Running at like 20. I'm looking to secure profits at 30 pips. Around 30 pips would be ideal. Ideal for me. There's a lot of volume, so 30 pips would be a very good position to secure. Just a little bit more juice. There we go, right there. Secure profits right there. Right here. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Our full TP would be up here at 19. Actually, gonna move it a little bit lower. 19. 1949 is 15. Actually, 1950 would be good. 1950. 30. Yeah, 1950 30 would be ideal. Amazing trade, guys. Amazing. Called out everything. Every move that happened, called it out. 1950 30. 1950.30. Amazing trade. I have some nice retracement coming in. 1915 30. Looking at how the 1 hour candle is set up, there is a possibility we could flip bearish. Flip bearish, break the low, and continue bearish. There is a possibility that could happen. We just need to break above the highs at 1947, break above 1948, and if that happens, then we'll be on our way back to 950. But I think that is far-fetched, to be honest. Actually, it can definitely push up. Just have to be confident. Hey, did anyone take this trade with me? Anybody? Yeah, at this point, we have the 1 hour candle starting to retrace again. It'd be so bad if it starts breaking its own low. Oh, the new 4 hour candle also just started. Holy shit. Oh, damn. Oh, this is interesting. This is very, very interesting. $15.43. Could be a nice opportunity to scale in right here. See? See? I did say this would be a good area to scale in. But we're now up 10 pips by now. But we're already in this trade, so it's gonna let it run. Archie Black got in. Took profits at 30 pips. Trailer time. Explain why I took this trade. Explain why I took this trade. Okay, the reason why we took this trade was because initial entry over here was based on the fact that I was anticipating, because it was taken on the last 5 minutes of this hour, I was anticipating this 1 hour time frame to close back above 1945 area. But then we had price breaking, closing below 1945. But I was really anticipating price to drive bullish because I think gold has been oversold since, I mean, it's due for retracement. This is basically based on experience. So when price is in this range over here, this, wait, let me get this thing out. Where is it? So most of the reasons why this trade was taken was based on experience. So we can clearly see that price really struggled to break below this resistance over here. So I can only say that it had a hard time. If price was not going to come down to this resistance over here, then it was bound for retracement. Hence why we got in on the first instance of break over here. We had a confirmation, a dodgy candle, dodgy 1 hour candle, 1 minute candle over here, and entered it as soon as we broke above it. So secure profits along the way and pretty much a break even right now. But most of this was due, basically due to experience. Sometimes you just feel it coming. You just feel a retracement coming. And that's what gold does sometimes. Like, we had all these levels on the 5-minute time frame, even the 1 hour time frame. We had gold potentially retracing at this level over here, didn't retrace, potentially retracing here, didn't retrace. And then we had a wick down here. As soon as I saw this dodgy, got in right over here. So now we're pretty much ranging at this point. We're pretty much done for the day, guys. It's just we're pretty much done on the first 10 minutes of the hour, to be honest. Took 2 trades and we're done. So we traded FOMC earlier this morning around 5-6 a.m. Traded Asian session, had a win. Traded London session, had another win. And now we're trading NY session, another amazing win. So I'm pretty happy, to be honest. Pretty happy. Pretty happy with this. Trailer time. If you want to know how and why my Adjusting my stop loss just below 1949, 60, 70 area. Because based on experience, price never really goes up to this whole number. Sometimes it rejects a couple of pips from it. Hence my stop loss at 1949, 680. Yeah. Then the holy shit, this thing is really pushing down at this point. Yeah. Yeah, we might get stopped out right here. If we do get stopped out, it is what it is. I'm gonna call it a session at this point. Look at the retracement on the 5-minute time frame. Oh, amazing. Look at this shit. This is getting a little bit interesting at this point. Now gold is just doing whatever it wants right now, especially on the 1 minute time frame. Now it's just being haywire right now. We have volume starting to die down a little bit. Hopefully it can pick up again at 12:30 a.m. Pick up momentum. Flipping bullish. We do have 1 minute until this 5-minute candle closes. If this candle closes bearish on the 1 minute time frame, it could potentially retest the lows and start breaking through at this point. Right here. This 1 minute time frame could definitely start driving bearish now. This would have been, if I was getting into sales, this would be a pretty decent entry right over here. Because it's highly likely that it's gonna start doing its bearish pushes at this point. Unless we start breaking above the previous 1 minute candle. And if it does close bearish over here, the next 5-minute candle could pop bearish. That's the thing that I'm concerned about. Maybe we could get sells here. Maybe. I would get in. I will get in if we attempt to break the high and then start flipping bearish again. It's pretty tricky at this point. Really tricky now. Yeah, we're back in the range on the 1 hour time frame. Really don't like the look of this. Like I said, break the high, start flipping bearish. How many pips to the downside is this? Okay, there we go. just not an ideal range. That's the only problem that we have. It's just not an ideal range. Then we also have the 30-minute candle right here. It's gonna close bullish. Oh yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, see, we have the candle flip right now. Attempting to flip. Scary, scary stuff. Holy shit, bro. This is interesting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Boom. Potential scaling on the 5-minute time frame. Stops below the previous 5-minute candle. Potentially. Very interesting price action going on at this point. Very, very interesting. We could definitely start taking out the lows now. Oh yeah, definitely could start taking out the lows now. Broken below the previous 5-minute candle low. Jeez. This thing is going haywire at this point. Strong range on the 1-minute time frame between 1945.50 and 1947. Starting to break below 1945. Attempting to break below 1945. Ah, shit. This thing is messy. Messy on the lower time frames. Very, very messy. 30-minute. This is a retracement on the 30-minute time frame. Oh man. We might get stopped out or break even. Might. We can start trending on the 5-minute time frame now. Yeah. Yeah. Could definitely start trending on the 5-minute time frame now. We only have one support left, which is really breaking below at this point. Still in this trade though. Still in this trade. And we are almost gonna get out. Still in this trade though. We're still in this trade. This trade is still holding, guys. Still holding. Still holding. Sheesh. Damn. Amazing. Oh shit. We might get taken out now. We might get taken out now. Oh man, shit. This 5-minute candle is really trying to come down at this point. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get taken out. Now this thing is pushing. Or not. Ah, we're out, guys. We're out. We are out. Taking on a break even right here. Amazing, amazing trade. Now we could start driving bearish, to be honest. Yeah, 30-minute driving bearish. The 1 hour time frame is also driving bearish. Whoa, this thing is really pushing at this point. Whoa, 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 whoa. Amazing session, guys. Amazing session. Amazing. This is insane. Yeah, the 1 hour candle is really pushing. It's on gold. Most times price don't usually hit our target, but if our analysis is correct, there's a high probability price is always pushing our favor by 10-20 pips, so it's very, very important to secure profits at those levels. Amazing. Just amazing. Just amazing. By the looks of this, looking to the left, this is a level where price reacted off the last time. Might get another opportunity over here. I can see rejection here. Previously, right here. See, this is the same level. I'm looking at this week. This happened on Thursday last week. Or maybe we're just correcting moves from CPI. Maybe. And not only that, we also have a minor wick rejection over here yesterday, right here. So we might retrace at this level also. At least before price comes down here. Or maybe if it taps it. To be honest, I got in on the oopsie. No, I didn't get in. There we go, guys. Got in on the 1 minute time frame right over here. Another possible entry. Boom. Another possible retracement at this point. Stop loss is gonna be at 1940. Actually, at 1940. It was 1940. This doesn't look too good. Holy shit. Let's go take it out right over here. Oh well, guys, I'm pretty much done for the day. Cheers, guys. Amazing session, guys. Amazing session. 2 wins, 1 loss. I'm done. Cheers, guys. Catch you guys tomorrow.